Panvel's skyline is about to see a major transformation because top name like L&T Realty has finally set foot in the locality. A locality which is known by the presence of top names like Hiranandani, Vadhva and Godrej. Today, we will be taking you to the final site of the project, the exact location where the project is going to come up. Let me tell you a little bit about how you can reach the location. From the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, you have to move towards the Shedung Toll, and from there you have to take an exit and you have to move on the old Mumbai-Pune highway, and you will be right at the L&T location. It was hardly a 10 minutes drive from the Shedung Toll, and now I am here at the exact location of the site. Walking towards the gate of the project, let me tell you that the location of the project is absolutely strategic, no two thoughts about it. Exactly on the old Mumbai-Pune highway, giving you seamless connectivity to Navi Mumbai from there, Mumbai and Pune on the other side. So this is where the sprawling 35 acres of gated community is going to come up. And I personally believe that this is going to be a landmark development in this segment because you see the land parcel is expansive enough to offer that openness and luxury-filled experience, yet it is planned in a very low density format so that people have that niche residential living experience. This project I personally believe has a great location, as I already told you, but on top of that it is offering great views. Just imagine you will be waking up to the views of Matharan and Sahyadri Hills very clearly visible from the project site. Now I will be walking towards the sales office and I would love to talk about L&T as a brand. Of course, as a brand, L&T needs no introduction. From Seawood's residences to Statue of Unity, bridges, airports, they have delivered some of the most iconic and landmark projects throughout the nation. Whatever they do, they don't just deliver, they try to lead with the qualitative work they provide. This upcoming gated community in Panvel is going to give you the experience of living within the nature, but at the same time keep you firmly placed in the future due to the ongoing and upcoming developments that are going to happen in the vicinity. For example, just a 20-minute drive to the Navi Mumbai International Airport. And now, welcome to Rubaru, the official channel partner for L&T Panvel. With over 2,000 plus successful transactions and more than 16 years of experience, we have been helping home buyers make the right move without any hassle. And we have been working not just with L&T but other sought-after names in real estate industry, for example, Hiranandani, Vadhva, Godrej, etc. Lastly, I am just going to say that at Rubaru, we help you choose the finest amongst the best.